Hello, welcome to class DJJ 10013 Engineering Drawing, and today I would like to continue our class in orthographic projection. Okay, part 2. Okay, orthographic projection has two types, which is the first angle projection, and number 2 is third angle projection. Okay, from the last class I told you how to make a frame and to divide four columns that we will use in our orthographic projection. Okay. In the orthographic questions, there will be an isometric projection, because the isometric projection is a 3D, and the orthography is a 2D dimension. 3D. Okay, this is an isometric. If you see in the example 1, you will see that the isometric projection is in this shape. Like this shape. Okay, the diagram above shows a component drawn in the isometric projection using the first angle projection. Draw the following views in full scale 1:1. And number 1, front elevation from the direction of arrow X. So we got the front elevation from the direction of arrow X. This is the angle X, and this one is the side elevation from the direction of arrow Y. The X and Y is given in the question. X and Y is given, and the arrow that's shown. The question is, okay, like this. Okay, X and Y. So, from the views of X, you can see this plane. Which is the front elevation. The side elevation from the direction of arrow Y, you can see only this type, because the isometric is a 2D drawing. The isometric and the orthographic is the drawing that the transfer from the isometric projection to the orthographic, which is 2D. The 3D in orthographic to 2D, which is we divide it in the part. Divide the front elevation from the part, this part, and at the top part, which is a plan. This one is a top part, which is a plan. So we divide from the 3D to 2D, which is an isometric, to orthographic projection. Okay? So that's why that your drawing is like this, because we want to draw the part of the front elevation, which is in each of the columns. The side on the other side, and the plan on the one of the column. Okay. First, before you want to draw this part from the front elevation, you must know where to put the drawing for X, Y, and the plan. No? So the formula is, first you must draw like this, the first angle. So the first angle must put the front at the center of the formula, the center of the formula like this. Okay, and then for the first angle, when we see something from the first angle, we see this one, just go to this one. So when the x, we see it from x, it's okay, that x is okay, and the y, which is this one, is the side elevation. See it from this one for side, for y, and the side elevation must be on this side. Okay, this is the first angle. Okay, now, and the plan, which is we see from the top, plan, and then the plan is at the bottom of the drawing. So we use this as to conclude our place in the drawing, conclude the place where to put the sides or where to put the drawing inside of the drawing paper. Is for this one is for front elevation. You must draw in these types. Plan at the top, at the bottom of it, and this side is at this side because we see it from this side, and then it's grow from the, kita tembus ke S, or tembus from the front elevation to the other side. This is for the first angle elevation. Okay, see it from this one and then go to the other side. Okay, this is for the first elevation. Okay, now for the third elevation is different, but we use the same formula. The third elevation is we see it and then the seeing is bounce back. Okay, it's bounce back. So when you see it from this one is at the center, fixed at the center, front elevation, and the side is from this side, it's bound back, and the side will be at this side. Okay, the side will be at this side, bounce back, there's B and this side, and the plan is it's bound. We see it from the top, it's bounced back, it stay at the top. So this one is for the third elevation. So that's the difference. This one is the third elevation. This one is the first elevation. See through, and then the side will be on the other side of the front. If we the third angle, we see it's bounced back, and then the S is on this side. The plan also bounce back, and then the plan stay at the top. This one, the first angle, through, see through. Okay, plan, see it from the top, see through, and the plan is at the bottom. So this one is first angle, and the second one is from the like this. Okay, P, F is at the bottom, P at the top. Okay, this one, the P at the top, or the plan is the top, is the main reason that is a third angle, because this plan is always at the bottom. First angle, plan is always at the bottom, and the third angle is the plan is always at the top. Side, we see at the side, and then it will bounce back, and side will be at this, at this side. And this one is a 45-degree line, because you want to transfer the line from this part to this part without measuring it. So the line is the convenient way to transfer the measurement. Okay? Okay. We will see you at part 3 after this. Thank you.